2, there's a welcome, give customers access to the email. They walk you through how to do everything if you want to resell the course. There's TikTok Shop, Pinterest, and this is how to, I love TikTok Shop. Etsy, digital and physical products, how to become a virtual assistant, Printify, Printful, Shopify, LinkedIn, becoming a travel agent, faceless marketing. If you want to do faceless marketing because you're shy or you're just not ready to show your face on social media, they teach you that as well. And there's a lot of done for you there. There's a Turo business, Amazon KDP. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, within this course, there is lots to do, lots to learn from, or you can resell the entire thing as your own. Now, let me show you the community. There's almost 30,000 members in this course. And in here, because there's so many people, you have share your wins. 14 hours ago, 14 hours ago, sneak peek sale. Somebody sold it, small win, just purchased DBA sneak peek. Now that's free, which you can actually get in my store as well. And then this is someone in the UK. She purchased DBA 17 on the 17th of February with the intention of only making $2K every month, and she actually started making $5K. And these are just the small wins. 7 days, somebody pinched me while in UK, and she's made 1,146. So that's UK, and just created my first mentorship program. And these are just all of the wins. People are selling every day, and people are in here to help. Also, here is the calendar where you're going to get training every single day. There's what's going on today, the tech support, how to do content. This one is someone's going to be teaching today at 5 p.m. How to content that sells, how to create content that sells. And I'm not going to do that one, but there's everything. There's even Bible study in here. My Ladies of Faith Bible study. And then, so that's that. And so I'm going to turn my screen back around to myself. Okay. So if you want to create an ebook, there you go. There's something for you to do inside the Digital Boss Academy. Go ahead and go to the link in my bio. And it is my birthday month. So my birthday is tomorrow. So happy birthday to me. Go ahead and either get the sneak peek, which is free for the Digital Boss Academy, or you can go ahead and start. And my recommendation, if you go look at my last video, is to start with volume 2 for right now. It's normally $222. Get it for $178. Today you get volume 1 and volume 2. And go ahead and watch the last video. Hello, welcome in. And I'm talking about the Digital Boss Academy, as well as creating your own ebook. With the Digital Boss Academy, there are free, done for you, not free. There's done for you, thousands of done for you products that you can resell as your own. There's journals, there's ebooks, there's wealth and health, there's cooking, whatever it is that you can think of in your mind. I'm almost sure that it's inside the Digital Boss Academy. Make sure that you go to the link in my bio and just get my free sneak peek. If you're tuning in now, I'm asking you to go get my free sneak peek guide in the bio for Digital Boss Academy. If you want to learn how to create a ebook, or you are just looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for something to do, a side hustle, go ahead to the link in my bio, download the sneak peek guide for the Digital Boss Academy. And God bless you all. It is March 18th and March 19th is my birthday. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is my first live, and so I think I will get better at this. Bye-bye.